Hello everyone, welcome to Techie QA channel. In this video we are going to see the second part of Cucumber with Selenium. So the first part we have seen how to implement Cucumber with some sample test. In that we didn't run anything, just we printed a sysout actually. So here I am going to tell how you can put your real Selenium script. So for the time consume purpose I have created some Selenium test which is like simple Selenium script. Just launch browser. Okay, I will show in browser. Launch browser, go to automation practice, click on sign in, enter the username and password and click on sign in button. Then verify like which is exist or not, your name or which is like name is display or not. Okay, this is what the actual test case. So this is a test driven actually. So this is login test we can see. Here we have written as a steps, open browser and enter credential and validate the home page. So this we can change the future actually. So open browser and navigate to site and click on sign in button. So this is the first feature. Then enter the credential and click sign in button. The next step and validate the username in the home page. Okay, so the given open browser and navigate to site. The first one will go to the steps, will update here. Okay, then next enter the credential and click on sign in button, will update into next step. And the last one is validate the username in home page. Okay, so in then function, we will validate. So given when the website is like already opened and clicked on sign in button, when you are entering the username password and click on sign in button, then validate the home page username. So this is what actual behavior of this test. So here we need to put the particular steps for this feature. Given open the browser, navigate to sign and click on sign in button. The actual test case of Selenium we have like click on sign in button till this. Okay, open the browser, go to site and click on sign in button. Just copy this and put into these steps. Okay, then then you have to enter the username, password and click on sign in button. Okay, these three steps I have copied to next behavior. When entering the credential and logs, click on sign in button. Then validations. So in validation we have like getting the name of username, doing it. Okay, so validation I have added. So basically we have created now the Selenium script and we have integrated like implemented our Cucumber steps as well. So this is how we can convert our simple script. Okay, it's nothing different on Selenium. It is like you have to add each steps to the particular behavior. So I have converted our sample Selenium script to steps here. Okay, now yeah, we have driver here. I think we can remove this, otherwise it will create new instance. Okay, so we have to run it and see is it working fine or not. So we have to runner.java. So I will run this. So once you run, it should launch the browser. Yes, it's happened. It's going to automation practice and clicked on sign in button. Okay, some error, we got it. Enter the credential string. Some mismatch is there actually. Oh, cool. So the last video we have shown to failure test case, right? So anyway, we have hard coded here. So we no need actually. Okay. Now it will work. So if you, there are some other way, you let it run. Okay, logged in, sign in successfully, then accession. I think it's done. Its last step is failed because of accession. Dharmalingam K expected is actually both are same. There are some spaces added maybe. So there is some spaces added, that's why it's maybe failed. Or else what you can do, you can assign this to web element name element. Okay, let me check is it display or not. Instead of checking the text, is displayed, it should be true. Okay, so now we are checking is display or not. Go to runner and check is this simple assertion failed actually. Sign in successfully and assertion is done. So if you see here, test runner is pass, the feature is login action, scenario, as well as you can see all the steps, 3 steps. So all 3 are pass. And maybe in next tutorial we can see how we can pass this username password. Here we have hard coded, right? So we can check how we can pass it in the feature file itself. Okay, from here also we can pass the username and password. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you face any issue, please put into comments. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.